It is Saturday, December 12th, around 11:30 a.m., about 55 degrees. We just left the Salamander Resort Spa and heading downtown here to check out some of the local shops. My friend Pauline is going to show us around because she's been here before. And we just left the Salamander Resort Spa, but we're going back later after walking down the area here. We're just gonna walk around the downtown area for a little bit, and then we are going back to the Salamander for our spa treatment. And you can check out the other video that I uploaded right before this one. It has a full walkthrough of the Salamander 5-star resort. I was thinking the same. This was funny because I woke up early and got ready just to get to the post office on time near my place, and then turns out there's also a USPS right here. I could have done the mailing here. Cool.
So the upstairs, there's all the way in the back too.
Okay.
They carry a lot of like wildlife, foxes, horses.
This here is the, looks like kitchen ware area, which is my favorite area to check out. They have a lot more sections in this fun shop. We're here at the second floor. Downstairs, the ornaments, kitchenware. Second floor is the clothing and the bookstore. Let me show you this. Ooh, these are cute. Cute belt. And now we are back outside. That was indeed a fun shop. There's a lot of stuff in there. We're gonna go to another shop now. This one I think is called Kizmetz. They sell eclectic houseware. Eclectic home. You want to check it out? Kizmetz.
And the wrought iron is 40. And it's all the wrought iron's handmade in Guatemala.
It does?
Yeah.
Ooh, it's pretty. We're checking out this cool coffee shop. It's so pretty. Although I don't think we're getting anything today. look, it's the horse carriages again. Man, I wish we had this in DC.
Very festive, right?
Right. Antique Emporium. Such a lovely town here.
Yeah, that one definitely was a used bookstore, but they changed it to a credit union because I don't see the bookstore anymore.
There's a gallery up here.
Wow, this is a lot. Need a haircut?
Sure. Sure, Pauline.
Yep, there are more shops down that way. And
Cool.
then I think there are some shops behind here too, behind this main street.
Is it nice? Want to check it out? Is it worth checking out, or are those better?
I think only one or two stores, but most of them here. You wanna just snack and then wait to eat dinner?
Katie Maiga.
I think 1:30.
Oh, we can eat.
Yes, 1:30.
Ooh, complimentary hot cocoa. What is this store? So the King Street Oyster Store restaurant across the street told us we have about 30 minutes wait. So we're gonna check out this store first. Fine European wares.
Where they go with the I didn't think they did, but maybe, what Nate said, he asked, you got the girls?
Nice here. Christmas market.
I thought this is Lenny Tripp's store.
Dieter Roush.
It was not Lenny Tripp's.
If you're someone who loves everything Christmas, decor and all, very traditional kind of Christmas decoration, this shop is for you.
She got a copy of it. No. No, I know it's wrong. I just think of it.
They were old. Huh?
This is not the same bottle, just the bottle.
Yeah, like the hood. Hood.
It's vault, but I didn't know it was. That's original.
Usually you don't see, this looks more like English oak.
Did you look back in the neck room?
They have plenty of ornaments, plenty of musical boxes. I feel like the choices here are endless. I mean, I'm not even a big Christmas ornament person, but walking through this store is like more like walking through a museum, really. So many things to look at. You can easily spend hours. And more stuff in here. More dolls. It looks like it's a little too crowded inside, so I think we're just gonna pick up some chocolates and then head to lunch and then do more shopping. This place is called Creme de la Creme, so I guess that means they have a lot of really cool stuff and possibly pricey. We'll check it out. Storefront's really pretty. This looks like a pizza pan. Interesting. There is just so many cool stuff in the store. And it looks like a lot of their stuff are made in Europe. These terracotta pots here, they're made in Italy. Most of them are unglazed though. And that was it, folks, the Middleburg downtown area. Thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed the walk. We're going to walk back to the Salamander Resort Spa. You can check out that video in the previous upload. And also, please remember to click like and subscribe. And I'll see you for the next walking
Look
tour.
at this store on the left.
Ah,
It's a pet box.
Yeah.
Pet shop.
Huh.
Right?